to put on my butt piece. Hold the rotations on that. What happens at Caribana stays at Caribana, okay?
That wig, oh my god, you're Storm! I'm Storm!
Yeah.
Patrice again.
Lyrical, gal, steal my heart like a criminal. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
You roll up on me like a
Hot mess. Good morning, everybody. It is Caribana 2018. You guys wouldn't believe it, but I literally just got my costume just a week ago. And the joke is, when this costume came out, I wanted to buy it, but by the time I was ready to buy it, it was sold out. So I wasn't even sure if I was actually going to be in Caribana today. I was just like, if not, I'd go to a cottage and cry. But you know, stars aligned. Flo, my girl who you'll be meeting later, she's the plug really, and she found a costume. So we're with Saldina, probably the biggest band this year, and the section that my sister and I, Marienne, come here.
I'm stressed. Okay, you're gonna help me with my tail and my hair.
Okay, so my sister, she has a midline. You'll see it when everything's all together.
I have to hold this because the bra is too big for my tatas.
Anyway, I don't know what else. Now I'm stapling my wig to my scalp so it doesn't fucking fall off.
Okay.
But
what is Flo said?
She hasn't messaged me yet, but it's 10:21.
Yeah,
we gotta go. Next year, we're renting a party bus because this is not good for my neck.
Oh, I thought you were on another phone.
No, I'm talking to him.
Why are you leaning on your
I have to. My headpiece screams fertility. It screams with child. Open. Sorry. You look lovely. Thank you. Really last minute, so it is now 12:38. We're supposed to be there at 11. We're not. I'm at Sephora because I got the wrong drops, and this is really key because your skin needs to look on point. And I can't live. I need it. So I lied. I actually didn't get the right one. This is still nice, but the one I wanted specifically, they have this other blue one that's super sparkly and it's gorgeous. But this will do for now.
And then we'll just get it.
We'll just get it another time. We'll get it for the tutorial, so you will see it next time, guys.
Soca Kingdom, Soca Kingdom, Soca Kingdom. Who ready? We now start. Get ready, day. Set a bong start. Meet we on the way. We lining up, ready to charge ahead. Forward is not enough. I want you to jump up, trample the ground now. We headed to downtown. Girl all on the railing. So much woman are trailing. Follow the big song. Get ready to mash down. All in the stadium. The whole of the kingdom come down. Time to show me your waves. Time to get out of line. You're born and ready for pace. Come and wind in the roadway. All in front of the gateway. All